In this video, we will learn how to apply a cumulative fix to the portal environment. Further details about applying a CF to your portal environment can be found at this link. However, before you begin the CF upgrade, it's very important that you take a complete backup of the portal environment. To learn how to take a complete backup, please watch this video. Successfully performing a CF upgrade is primarily made up of two steps. 1. Upgrading the binary files. The binary files are upgraded by using the installation manager. 2. Upgrading the portal profile. The portal profile is upgraded by running a script that runs a series of configuration tasks. So let's see what this looks like. After obtaining the CF upgrade files, the first step is to use Installation Manager to upgrade the portal binary files. In this example, we will use the console mode of the Installation Manager to perform the binary upgrade. First, navigate to the Installation Manager root Eclipse/Tools directory. Start the Installation Manager in console mode using the imcl-c command. After the Installation Manager starts in console mode, you need to add the CF repository so Installation Manager knows where the CF upgrade code exists. To do this, type P and press enter, then 1 and enter, then D and enter to add the repository. At the prompt, type the path to the CF package's repository.config file and press enter. After entering the path, type A and enter, and R and enter to return to the main menu. When back at the main menu, type 2 and enter to begin the update. Next, type 2 and enter to choose the portal server package group. Type in and enter. Again, type in and enter. Again, type in and enter. Type A and enter to accept the license. Again, type in and enter. Again, type in and enter. Finally, on the summary panel, type U and enter to begin the upgrade of the CF binary files. After successfully upgrading the portal binary files, the next step is to upgrade the portal profile. The portal profile is upgraded by running a script called apply CF. This script runs a series of portal configuration tasks. To run this script, please navigate to the portal profile root portal server/bin directory. And start the portal profile upgrade by executing apply CF. After the apply CF completes, you have completed your CF upgrade in your portal environment. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.